Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how to delete a file from a GitHub repo. As you can see, I got a GitHub repo here. So let's make a file to delete. Let's go inside this utils folder and let's pick this file SSR functions. Now to delete this file, I need to click on these three dots on the right side. Now here at the bottom, I need to click on delete file to delete this file. Let's click on it. Now I need to click on commit changes. So this will be the commit message. If I want to add anything else, I can add it here, but I'll leave it as it is. Now I simply need to click on commit changes. You can also pick a branch. You can directly commit to master branch, or you can create an entirely new branch, but I'll stick with it. Now let's click on commit changes here to delete this file. You can see I'm getting a message here, file successfully deleted. So I hope you understood how to do so. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.